glimpse of the video, animal that we saw, our visit, Jammun, finally drinking some fresh coconut water, enjoying the vanilla gatia. We got stuck badly. Stay tuned how we came out. So we begin. Namaste salam ne maja. Maja bole to ame avi gaya jungle ma. But of course, being close to the jungle almost guarantees surprise guests and a journey to right from the start.
मंगूस है मंगूस क्या देखिए बाजू जाएगा देख
The first one to welcome us on road from Keshod to Gangecha was none other than Mangoose Bhai Saab. Confident, unbothered, and clearly the local boss. जंगल के पास हो तो एनिमल्स मिलेंगे ही. Google Maps optional, wildlife guaranteed. The road winds through lush greenery, open fields, and pure countryside calm, instantly slowing you down in the best way possible. You see how we were enjoying the views and the whole thing, the farming area being prepared. The Keshod Gangecha route is wrapped in green farms on both sides, fresh air, and hardworking farmers everywhere. This region is known for groundnut, cotton, tuer, that's pigeon pea, and seasonal vegetables. बस सब देखते देखते हम पहुंच गए हमारे दोस्त के फार्म पे. ये हम पी रहे हमारा फ्रेश पानी एंड मी टेलिंग माई अफ्रीकन स्टोरी. उधर क्रोकोडाइल था और यहाँ पे वो थी, वो नदी में स्प्रिंग है ना, हम लोग ने उधर से पानी दिया है फ्रेश, दुनिया का फ्रेश पानी, मजा आता है.
ये दुनिया का नहीं है.
So the farm life continued with water pumping into the fields and fresh coconut water cracked open on the spot. That's what you will see. Let's see what I'm narrating, and then we go to the nature's energy drink, no branding needed. Why not? Yes. So after drinking the water from that dam, whatever they have made, the pseudo dam, we go to the farm. So if you see, this is called turai, okay? Turai is tuar dal, the lentils that we eat. ये पूरा खेत है. As we are here in Keshod for the wedding, we are exploring our friend's place as well. Remember, there were 2 cars when we were traveling. So उसमें से one car is his friend, my husband's friend, and that is how we have come here. So we are exploring his farm. By far we ate jamun. You saw very nice red jamun. Let me show you the papaya, and now we're going to have fresh coconut. This is what I have been offered to have. That's the fresh coconut. And you see the papaya? Acha. So this is coriander, if you see, with the flowers and all. ये papaya उग रहा है यहाँ पर, मस्त है. Just look at the amount. No doubt farming is absolutely lucrative and very nice. I'll show you after dhania. Yeah, tuer. I told you this is the dal. This is what I was talking about. This is called tuer. Okay. Yeah. Lentil.
लेंटिल वो दाल को बोलते हैं.
Yeah, so this is the dal only, right?
ये तुअर नहीं,
Okay.
ये फ्रेश तुअर.
It's not dried yet, adulterated or dried, right?
खाएगी.
नहीं. The tuer crop, strong and healthy, will be ready for harvest about in a month, as I told you. Standing there watching crops grow, you realize this is the break people actually crave. Wi-Fi weak tha par connection strong ho gaya. Sometimes peace doesn't come from luxury. It comes from the land, patience, and simple living. This is what I was doing. We're going to have this fresh coconut right from the tree. This is how they cut. Yeah. They're trying to cut me. इधर है, इधर भी है. While he's trying, we can see the whole field. You see, the whole field is amazing. This is all Turai, yeah? Everything is Turai. This is the time. इसका हार्वेस्टिंग का भी है रनिश? कल्पेश भाई, आनो हार्वेस्टिंग क्या रे? आनो हार्वेस्टिंग क्या रे? अच्छा, in next 1 month this will be harvested. Hey, see it broke. Drink. ला. पूरा कपड़ा खराब करता है.
मेरा भी हुआ कपड़े खराब. मेरा मोटो
Ranish.
अरे बना बधी बाजू से निकल.
These coconuts had not actually reached their maturity. That's why when we were trying to pluck them, they were breaking and the water was coming out. Few he managed for us and they have everything prepared. But फिर क्या है? While the kids and everything, you were with them, they guided us to the home. So this, our friend, he had come for his uncle's daughter's wedding. That is how we had invitation from both the sides. These roads were really crazy. Just stay tuned towards the end how we suffered. ये उनका घर. हम कभी कभी समझते गांव है तो घर कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा ये वो, but see the way they make their home, washrooms, every facility, tiling. Very nice. Very well done. Heading to Malia?
पीछे वॉशरूम था. तो यहाँ से ना कूद के हम लोग आते थे चॉकलेट्स और ये सब लेने के लिए. ये पेड़ अभी भी ऐसे ही.
So as the evening passed by, we were like, let's go to Malia Hatina, famously called as Malia. Where memories took over. You saw how Renish was recalling his schooling time, his hostel time, counting train का डब्बा. He's like नीलोफर में वॉशरूम के पास बैठता था और सब डब्बे गिनता था क्योंकि कुछ काम तो नहीं था करने को. I like okay. So classic kid logic, zero math accuracy, full entertainment. बस और क्या, वही तो लाइफ है. Then followed by आवी गया में वनेला गाठिया खावा. And his chutney is unbeatable combo. Trust me. First I thought ऐसे ही रनिश ने क्या बोल रहा है, but yes, खाने के बाद I believe it, boss. So after jalebi came for kids and finally my master move, you will see that as well. Just look at this. I wanted to wait there and see uncle क्या मस्त गाठिया बनाते. Look at him dipping it in that hot oil, vaneling the गाठिया. Vanilla means apparently is तुम कोई चीज़ को ऐसा गूंथते हैं. So when you are kneading, and that is how then you are shaping, is vanilla gathia. Imagine. So Renish has been eating here since his childhood and he's like, I always wanted you to come and eat this. Because last time when we were on the ride, when he had newly bought his bike, I had some health issues and that time we couldn't go through here. So just see this, the way it's frying now. He's going to remove the chutney, people eating it, the whole bustling street, calming sunset. This is evening when we came with kids to decide to eat the gatio. Yeah, see this chutney he's removing? This is what I was talking about. So Malia Hatina is a little, very, not little, but quite a well-equipped village where you get all the facilities and everything is available here. बस फिर क्या आया हमारा गाठिया. बस देख देख के ही पेट भर गया था, लेकिन मतलब खा के भी पेट भरते था. खाए पिए बिना तो चलता नहीं हमारा बॉस, एज यूजुअल लाइक आई से. तो ये हमारी फिर पूरी प्लेट वॉज अपारेंटली प्लेड फॉर. तो आया हमारा चटनी, वनीला गाठिया, ग्रीन चटनी, मिर्ची, संभारो. ओके, द सैलेड इज कॉल्ड संभारो हियर. एंड किड्स रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑन डिमांड हमने जलेबी जो है. बट after everything, while the kids were busy with haircuts, I explored the local market. Look at this. Everything you need is right here. From daily essentials to community warmth, villages in India are self sufficient in ways cities forget. But the real climax, the GPS drama, I'm coming to that. Just stay with me. Enjoy this market while I'm walking with me, and then I'll take you to the next twist. तो बस फिर मार्केट से वापस आके while I got done, when we entered you saw there was a farsan shop on my left. I was eyeing on it since I don't know what ages. I like मेरे को samosa खाना है because remember when we were traveling and I ate that samosa. It's just stuck in my mind. मैं और खाना पीना कभी छूट नहीं सकते. Anyways, तो वो समोसा खाया हमने, पैटीज खाया, what not we enjoyed. My God, it was amazing. बट येस अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट और कुछ नहीं खाना था मुझे, हो गया बस फिर क्या. आफ्टर एवरीथिंग द क्लाइमैक्स इज द GPS ड्रामा. It confidently took us onto a road meant strictly for two-wheelers. We discovered God, we are stuck because जैसे जैसे अंदर जा रहे थे हमारी कार पे और ही और सब झाड़ पत्तियाँ लगने लगे. The narrow paths and everything was really too much. But hats off to Renish, he pulled it very well. He realized this is not right. So he realized this road is not right, and there was a two-wheeler guy. He helped us that how the road should be. And hats off to Renish, he really pulled it well. But फिर हम भी कम नहीं side seater वाले. I like let me get down, guide him, and then finally it was a safe escape. हमने खुदा का शुक्राना अदा किया, थोड़ा बहुत हंस भी लिए, थोड़ा बहुत पसीने भी पोंछ लिए, सब कुछ करके finally we were home with gratitude. But just check out, I had to get down, literally guide him that how much is the edge he can go. So if you're a side seater, please
ande
not on this.
ja keep going ja bas
So finally, सफ़र सिर्फ जगह नहीं बदलता, इंसान को भी अलर्ट, हम्बल और जिंदा बना देता है.
ja
With this, I will take your
jande
adieu. And yes,
you can go more if you
don't
want.
forget to like, share, and definitely help the community to grow. That is with the help of your subscribes. And big thanks to the ones who have subscribed and viewing as well. Everything matters. So do stay tuned after this what we did and how the whole wedding unfolded. बस ये शाम का समा और सही में खुदा को शुक्राना अदा करते हुए हम घर पे गए. मलसू बीजी वार.